Hello everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. I'm going to make this tractor a three-part series, I think. Today I'm going to get the manifold put back on, get the carburetor torn apart and ready for a rebuild. Then my next video will be reinstalling the carburetor, get the tractor running and out of here. I know a lot of my subscribers joined my channel because of my Alice Chalmers restoration. And I'm getting sick and tired of these baseless claims that I've become a John Deere fan, even though there is absolutely no evidence that that is true whatsoever. Let's get started. Let's start by getting these paper towels pulled out of here. I stuffed them down in there to keep debris from falling in when I was cleaning off the surface, get prepped. And by the way, before I started doing this off camera, I took a shop vac and got the loose dirt up out of there so nothing would fall back in as I was pulling the paper towels up. Okay, I got the gaskets copper coated, have them on there. Now I'm ready to set the manifold in place and get it bolted down. This bolt needs to be in before I put the manifold in, otherwise I don't have enough room to get it down in the hole. So now I got to attempt to get the manifold up in there without disturbing the gaskets. Be nice to have an extra set of hands here so I could have one person on each side. There is almost no room here to do this. Okay, I'll get the rest of these bolts put on, and then we'll move on to the carburetor. I've had this thing soaking for a few days in the parts cleaner, so all the gunk should be loosened up. That's like a pre-screened filter type thing for the gas. This is the fitting where the actual fuel line hooks up. I'm not sure what this plug is. It's probably just a passageway down in there for something. That's pretty full of gunk in there yet. Definitely part of my problem here. I think this is long overdue. I'll get the bowl off next. Pull these idle jets out. I believe there's new ones of these in the kit. And I know there's a new float in there. There's a needle and seat. I'll get these butterflies off for the choke and throttle. Those will have to be reused, but there's really nothing to go bad with those. There's new bushings in the kit too. A lot of these, when they get wore out, they'll start sucking air in around that bushing. So it's a good idea to replace them if you can, and it's pretty easy to do. We'll get to that, be in the next video. Make sure I don't lose that spring out of there. Even though you won't be seeing all of this, I'm recording everything, because chances are I'm going to have to go back and look at it when it comes time to put all this back together. Make sure it's right. It's a pretty good set of instructions that come with the rebuild kit. It's always nice to have some good visual aids too. That's pretty much it for everything that can be unscrewed and removed from here. There's some small plugs that came with the rebuild kit. They're like a small freeze plug. They're a brass plug that just block off places. So I'll get them knocked out too. Sometimes you have to actually like drill a hole in them and put a screw or something in there and pull them out to get them out. But I'll get all that done off camera. Then I'll finish cleaning it up, get it repainted. And when it's time to go back together, I'll be dealing with nice clean parts instead of all this gunk. That's going to do it for this video. I probably could have got more done, but I'm kind of short on time. And I'd rather devote more time to putting this carburetor back together when everything's nice and clean and easier to see what's going on. It's kind of a gunky mess now. So I'll get this video edited and get it out there. It's been a couple weeks since I put anything out, so I better get something out there. Stay tuned for the next time when we put this together and fire the tractor up, see how it runs, whether it's a go or no-go situation. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.